The first set of problems in your quiz are solving by completing a square. Our rules in solving by completing a square were to isolate your x's, so I'm going to isolate those x's first. So x squared plus 10x equals a 2. Then I'm going to leave a spot to complete the square both here and here at the balance. So to complete the square, we take half of 10, and half of 10 is 5. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then we square it, which is 25. This is the number that we're going to add to both sides. Add to 25 to keep it balanced. If I'm going to the other side of the equation, I add 25 to balance. Now we can factor our trinomial, so that's going to be x plus 5. Remember, it's the square root of this, the square root of this, and the sign's the same. Squared equals 27, which means now we're going to solve it for x. In order to solve for x, we're going to get rid of squaring. So to undo squaring, we square root. Don't forget, when we square root, it's plus or minus. Square root of 27. I'm going to go over here and do a little work on 27. Square root of 27 is the same thing as square root of 9 times 3. But the square root of 9 can be more simply written as 3, so it's 3 square root of 3. So we have x plus 5 equals plus or minus 3 times the square root of 3. Last thing we have to do to find our values for x is subtract your 5 from both sides, plus or minus a 3 square root of 3. I asked you to write your solutions in solution set, so really isn't a whole lot to do with these. It's a negative 5 plus 3 square root of 3. That's one solution. The other one is a negative 5 minus 3 square root of 3 solution set. Okay, so that's an example of completing a square and solving the quadratic equation.